you have terrible relationship with your family members, and you still have the audacity to call yourself a Christian man, a religious man, you still think that you are connected to God, you still preach to other people about reading scriptures, then you're just a hypocrite. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use the knowledge of Bible in order to create wonderful relationship with your family members, so that you can finally call yourself a proud Christian man. If you study Bible, you will see that the Bible has said life exists inside God. Now, what is God? God is something that you cannot sense, that you cannot perceive through your five senses. Beyond your five senses, there exists God. And what is life? Life means potential. Any kind of potential can be equal to life. And what this means is every kind of potential exists inside God. So if you can access God, you can breathe life into the potential where you have wonderful family dynamics. Right now, you're currently living a life where you have a shitty family dynamics. But if you can access God, you can download a life where you have wonderful family relationship. Now, in order to have that connection with God, you first need to go beyond your senses. Your eyes, your ears, your touch sensation cannot, your logic, your reasoning cannot get you closer to God. You have to transcend these senses, and that's where meditation comes in. If you simply close your eyes and keep your spine erect and keep becoming a witness to your own breath, your own natural breath, inside and outside, there will come a moment where you will become a witness to the content of your mind. You will just be a non-critical witness to everything that comes in your mind. Thought will come, emotions will come, feelings will come, images will come inside your mind, and you will just be a witness. You'll just be a pure awareness. And that is the moment when you know that you have now become connected to God, because that is the moment you are fully plugged out of your sense organs. You have now become a non-critical witness of everything that happens within your own body. This means you have transcended your senses and you're now connected to God. Now, you have the ability to breathe life into the potential where you have wonderful family relationship. So, in order to do that, you have to imagine that you already have good relationship with your family members, because Bible has already said that when you pray in such a way that you believe you have already received whatever you prayed for. So in that state of meditation where you are getting connected to God, you start imagining that your family members are already pleasant towards you. They are already asking for your forgiveness. You imagine that you have tears in your eyes and you're embracing them and you're telling them, I forgive you. You provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act until your brain starts to believe that this imaginal act is happening to you in real time. When this happens, you will start to get the emotion of joy, satisfaction, and relief. When you start to feel these elevated emotions of joy, satisfaction, and relief, now you have downloaded a life where you have pleasant relationship with your family members. Now your imagination will actually get externalized into your physical world. Now you will understand that your imagination is actually Jesus Christ, because whatever you have imagined will actually happen in your physical reality. So unless you actually are able to create wonderful relationship with your family members, please do not call yourself Christian. You cannot be religious, you cannot be a Christian man just by reading scriptures. You have to be able to become connected to God and to download a life where you have pleasant relationship with your family. So if you want to work with me one-to-one in order to heal your relationship with your family members, or you want to achieve peace and happiness despite being raised by dysfunctional family, then click the link that is present in the pinned comment section down below. I will provide you a meditation ritual that you can do for 30 days, but you have to be the type of person who is actually going to get committed to this meditation ritual, or else your brain chemistry will not change, your neural network will not change, your nervous system will not be accustomed to these elevated emotions if you do not do this meditation consistently. And you'll think that this meditation does not work, and I cannot allow that to happen.